Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. Now I'm going to show you the result of this picture right here. It's not the best picture, sorry, but it is my design, which is right here. And the tutorial will be linked above and in the description box below. All right, but first of all, a reminder, I have a crochet collab going on right now, and that's linked above here on the video and in the description box below. It's going on to the end of June. So I invite everyone to join. It's kind of a different kind of collab, but it still has to do with crochet. Let's talk about this. I'll tell you what the yarn I used. It's the Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Dots. 273 yards, 250 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, anti-pilling acrylic, 100%. It's a lightweight 3. This colorway is Wildflower. Very pretty with purples and blues and pinks and kind of a whitish or off-white. They suggest a 4mm crochet hook and also 4mm knitting needles. Okay, so I believe I used a 4mm. I just checked, I actually used a 5mm. Let's see the end result. And here it is. Now the reason I frogged it was because I wasn't caring for how the colorway was working up. But this really is beautiful yarn. I call them dots. I really love them. They're beautiful. It's just that I decided I didn't really care for it in its design. So yes, I frogged it, I caked it up, and I'll use this for something else. Maybe what? What should I make with this yarn? I'm sorry guys that I didn't actually complete a Cardi, crop Cardi, I believe I called it. So if you're making that crop Cardi, I would love to see pictures in my Facebook group. Sorry guys, I didn't finish it in this yarn, but you know, sometimes we just change our mind. What would you make with this yarn, or what have you made? Again, it's the Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Dots. Do you have this in your stash? Have you used it? Have you made anything? What did you make if you did make something? Let me know. I have ideas, but I want to hear what you have to say. All right, thanks everyone. I hope you're not too disappointed that I didn't finish it. But like I said, the tutorial is out there. It's linked below. I hope you love that design as much as I do. I just didn't care for it in the dots after all. Check out the other tutorials linked at the end of this video and in the description box. Thanks guys.